Not gonna lie, the car dirty as f right now, but just wanted to at least show you guys a body kit. How it would look. I painted it myself. If you couldn't tell, painted it up in myself because I'm broke. Got the side skirt on. Rear lip. Fire though. You see that little screw right there? Mind your business. For some reason it's popping out in this area right here. So I'll put another screw right there and paint that bit black. You'll never know. Yeah, we finally got the whole kit on. Oh, let me show you how that shit look from the back, bro. That should look fat. Yeesh. Yeesh. That should look crazy. Imagine driving behind me. So, Moyayo.
You going to Mexico?
Might go to Mexico tonight. That's why I want to go, bro. Just on the floor with it. Look at me. Look at me.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
The angles, bro. I gotta get the angles. Don't be sleep, bro. Don't be sleep, bro. Don't be sleep on my work, bro.
Hey, don't look at my phone screen, bro. It's kind of messed up, bro.
Hey, the crap, I think it died.
Wait, it's still going.
Like, my phone died.
My phone... Screen... Yo, I'm in the screen looking stupid as
My phone died at the same time.
Hey, Troy, what you gotta say, what?
Huh?
What you gotta say?
Oh, but y'all put me on the spot, but I don't even know what to say. But now you gotta ride, you know what I'm talking about?
Bro,
You know,
clean, man.
I'm sure you show you all the tour. YouTube, man. Full patrol cars, you know what I'm talking about, man. You ain't sitting inside because it's dirty, you know what I'm talking about. Get your fitness right, man. Sign up, man. Yeah, I go like, I'm happy you held on, boy.
Yo, you said the fuck out of that shit. Hold on, we gotta show y'all Marcus look real quick. They watching this shit, everybody's doing clean. Hey, it's alright, what y'all is, twins? What we doing today? We going to do a car meet? We're going to a little cruise. It's a little car meet out in Kissimmee. Now everybody said they want to get their cars clean. They want to get their car clean. Listen me out. What? This is my time, bro. I'm getting paid for this. And we got Marcus with right here.
Riot.
She sits.
These boys spend a lot of money on their car. They gonna show it out. No cap.
That's what I was about to do.
We're gonna get the angles every time.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
Look at that stop. That nigga don't know what to do.
Yo, we stopped the fly.
He don't know what to do.
Look at this, look at this.
Sorry, buddy. Sorry about that.
You know what it is. You turning it into the speed show, you feel me?
That's what I talk about the speed show, nigga. We on our way to a little car meet. We just cruising right now, though. Chilling. We got Gamma right here. Boy, got the Rolls Royce lights. Got Brando in the Slam G37S. Yeesh. I know y'all see that fitment on that Accord, though. I think we downtown Orlando. I hope so. Like 2 minutes away from the meet. I think this is where they meeting. I really don't even know where I'm going, bro. I'm just driving with these, bro. Honestly. The city with it. Sheesh. Orlando type nice, bro. Fool. Hey, what the f? Where the f came from?
Bro, traffic, bro. That's a 2 minutes.
It was not with us, bro. That nigga shit is loud as f, bro. That shit sounds like a Mustang. That's an 08 Accord, my nigga. What the f? Brando and Stanley.
Changing his socks.
Excuse me?
Yo,
Bus. Oh, let me see that. Oh, bus. You see the meat? You see the sauce? I don't even know what sauce on here. Hold on.
Yo, pause. Ooh, that been low.
No. That's a Yaro, right? Yo, that shit fire. I know that shit fire. That bitch smacking.
Put your ass on.
That's smacking.
But that's pizza too?
You got pepperonis on there. You got pepperoni. Hey, yo, this shit bombing.
How it taste? It tastes.
Bushing, bro.
That's some calm shit. Ain't even a vlog, bro.
We ain't getting no cars out here.
I ain't even getting no cars, bro. Oh, yeah. That's a car for y'all. There you go.
That's a car for y'all.
See what I'm saying, bro? This is quick. Nah, Mo. Nah, why they violating like that? Bro, I'm saying, yo.
Really tried to get your car, but couldn't get under your car. Oh, this ride back to the crib about to be a breeze.
Out here for the night. That's the lineup. My baby right here. Back the cord, yes sir. Yo, air out for me real quick, bro. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh my god. It's tough. Got Brando. What you doing, bro?
Can't forget the food, bro.
Can't forget the food, bro. They ain't seen you in a minute, bro. What you been up to, bro?
I've been posting a little bit more, so you know, just go check out. Only Hondas, bro.
Only Stan, bro, not Hondas.
Stop it, Honda. I could do it too.
Bob, bro. Cause you gonna start a whole rap
I didn't
party,
really
bro.
think that was him.
Bro, this man got fans, bro. What you?
I'm gonna build something people don't build, bro.
I was driving down that pit with Brando one time, and he was like, "Oh, this car is nice." I'm like, "Appreciate it." He was like, "You did a Civic S." I'm like, "Nah."
I didn't want to see your car, bro.
He got the Rolls Royce lights, bro.
No, your car got too much hype, bro.
He got the Rolls Royce lights, bro. I don't know.
Remember, it's fun. You get because of the lights. What do girls say when they get in the car and they see the lights?
It's when they answer like a FaceTime call or some shit, and then you hear, "Girl, you in the Rolls Royce?"
That boy got fans.
That kid, that boy just caught a whole headache break.
He opened the door. That boy sounded stressed out. That nigga said,
Lights, bro. You gotta get lights, bro.
I think it's the lights, bro. Gotta be the lights.
It's the lights.
This kid is going crazy, bro.
My car is for pictures and pictures only. Do not look at it up close because it's rust and stuff all over.
You start pressing the gas here.
That nigga wild. Keep flushing it. Woo. I just have a whip. Yes, sir. I need to drop a Hellcat, bro. This. Thank you.
You guys get one safe, man. Alright, we Ale, bro. They said they need to get him on I-4.
Oh, what? I-4? Wait, what? You said I-4?
That's not fair. He's gonna just air up. What the hell?
What the f? Yo, what the fuck is this, bro?
Bro, I think it's an accident, bro. Might be an accident. His car is cool. His car is cool. Fuck yeah.
Funny as fuck. Little show for you there.
They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
You know, it's the Steve show.
Yo, if you say that shit one more time.
They gon' recognize